So friends, welcome to the channel of A Plus Law Academy and all the candidates, those who are now targeting ITBP Deputy Judge Attorney exam. आप लोगों के लिए आज का वीडियो जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है. Now, as far as this particular exam is concerned, which is going to be conducted for ITBP recruitment 2025. So, as far as this exam is concerned, it is basically a test for your physical capabilities as well as your professional capabilities. Now, in this particular session, I will be discussing with you people like how you can prepare for Deputy Judge Attorney exam. Now, look, this is not basically an exam. Like, it is not like an exam for a judiciary. It is an exam which is basically demanding that whether you are having a patriotism in you, whether you are ready to serve the nation, and that is why this Deputy Judge Attorney exam is must for all the candidates, all those who are eligible. Now the point is like who is eligible, how to prepare, what kind of things you must put on. So we are going to have discussion on that. So I am Arun Bhargav, advocate and founder of A Plus Law Academy, and I will be discussing with you people like how you can target ITBP Deputy Judge Attorney exam and how you can prepare the subjects which are going to be asked in this particular exam. Now let's come to the eligibility criteria as well as the syllabus and what is the physical competency they are going to test. So this Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force exam is concerned, ITBP exam is concerned, it is basically conducted by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And as far as the recruitment is concerned, the post is named as Deputy Judge Attorney General Duty. It is a Group A Gazetted Officer, but it is a non-ministerial post. So as far as the vacancies are concerned, all the candidates, those who had filled this particular exam, they are aware that okay, there are 7 vacancies. You must be top notch, you must be the best in India, so only then you are going to get selected. Now the second point is, in the unreserved we are having 5 vacancies, in the ST community we are having 1, and in the OBC also we are having 1 vacancy. These vacancies are basically tentative and it can be changed in the coming time. Now as far as the pay scale is concerned, you all people know you had filled this particular exam. So level 11 pay scale is there, that is minimum 67,700 to 2,08,700, and certain allowances like DA, HRA, etc. and all those amenities and perks are being given. Now as far as the age limit is concerned, they had already given in the notification like the age limit is to be taken as on 31st of December 2025. Now the maximum age for this particular exam is 40 years and the cutoff date for the age is as I said 31st of December 2025, and the candidate must not be born before 1st of January 1986. Now the point is like all the candidates, those who are having 7 years of experience in the litigation, or if they are having masters in law, LLM graduate, then all those candidates were eligible for this exam, and already the dates for filling the post etc. is already over. So it is basically that how you can prepare, what should be the strategy we should adopt. Now the selection process is divided in different stages. So it is not like that you are giving the subjective paper firstly and then your physical test is going to happen. It is basically like firstly the documentation is to be done. All the documents are going to be verified by the concerned authorities. So you must be having verified documents, original documents with you. Number 2, when you get when you're over with stage 1, the stage 2 comes, that is a physical standard test. This is that stage in which many of the candidates are going to wipe out. Now in this particular test, you must be having, if you are a male candidate, you must be having a height of 165 centimeter. So have a scale or inch tape and see whether you are holding this height or not. And if you are a female, 157 centimeters are there. With respect to male, chest should be 81 centimeter unexpanded and 86 centimeter expanded. So this is the criteria which is there. Furthermore, physical efficiency test, that is the stage 3 we are having now. The moment you are passed with stage 2, stage 3, 100-meter race in 18 seconds. So you must be fast and furious enough that you are covering 100 meters in 18 seconds, 800 meters in 6 minutes, and shot put, you must be having shot put throw of 4.5 meters. So this is very, very important. And 3 attempts will be given for that, and the weight will be 7.26 kg. So this is very, very important. All the candidates, those who are now going to give this particular exam, they are going to get eligible, they are going to appear in this. Please be prepared with your physical efficiencies. And if it is a female, 100-meter race within 30 seconds, 800-meter race 7 minutes, and shot put throw will not be applicable to women. Now the second point is for which I am here today, that is the written examination. Now in this written examination, it is not like a judiciary kind of exam. Like it is basically the test in which the first paper, that will be the objective paper, 100 marks paper will be there, in which they will be asking you the questions from general knowledge, general awareness, and general English. So duration which they had given is 2 hours, and the question weightage will be like from GK, they will be giving you 25 multiple choice questions. From the general awareness, they will be giving you 25 multiple choice questions, and from the general English, there will be 50 multiple choice questions. So be ready with all these things. You must be good enough in GK, you must be good enough in the general awareness, and you must be having a good command on the English language also. Iske saath saath, along with this, as far as the professional knowledge is concerned, there will be a 100 marks paper, and this 100 marks paper is basically divided in 2 segments. The objective paper will be of 60 marks and subjective paper will be of 40 marks. Now the duration will be for 3 hours they are going to give, and the negative marking is also there, that is 1/4 mark of the negative marking they are going to give for every wrong answer. Now the second thing is, as far as the syllabus is concerned for the law exam, there is a professional knowledge which they are going to test. What subjects you must be ready with? Constitution of India, number 1. Number 2, criminal and procedural law. So criminal procedural law, as well as the this is the BNSS and the Code of Civil Procedure. So they are going to ask this. After that, they are going to ask Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita / IPC, then Evidence Act / Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. Along with this NDPS Act, they are going to ask cyber crime laws. So there is basically the Information and Technology Act they might ask, and electricity laws, Contract and Partnership Act, Motor Accident Claims, so which is there in the MV Act, and Arbitration and Conciliation Act, Hindu and Muslim law, Transfer of Property Act, Domestic Violence, Journal rules related to the civil and criminal procedures, and Central Civil Services Conduct Rules, CCS rules are there, which they are going to test. And after this, there will be the interview. So you have to pass from multiple stages to reach to the interview stage. So there will be firstly document verification, then there will be the basic test, that is of chest and height, and then they are going to test the physical efficiencies, then there will be the professional knowledge test, and finally there will be interview. So interview is of 25 marks, but they had given a breakup like, okay, आप किस चीज में कितने निपुण हैं उसके बेसिस पे आपको जो नंबर है वो मिलेंगे. So as far as interview is concerned, the professional qualification is of 5 marks. So when you are having LLB, it's okay, but if you are having LLM, you will be getting an advantage. Professional knowledge, they are going to test 10 marks. Then personality and appearance, 5 marks, and extracurricular activities like had you played sports, NCC, and NSS, etc. So they will be giving you marks for that extracurricular activities also. So the final merit is basically based upon the written exam as well as the interview which they are going to conduct, and the merit will be prepared category wise. So this is something which is very, very important. Now, there are certain other aspects which can make you disqualified for this particular exam. That is, if the tattoos are there, so tattoos are allowed only in the inner forearm, dorsum of the hand. So the tattoos are allowed, but only in the inner forearm, not on the outer part. Next one is LASIK surgery is permitted, but there are certain conditions you must go through with the notification for that. Jurisdiction of the courts are only in Delhi. So if you are having any such kind of dispute in future, so you can go only to the Delhi court. So these are basically the criteria which they had given for this particular exam. And now the second thing is, like, if you want to be an officer in ITBP, you have to qualify, you have to pass all these stages. Now, as far as these particular professional subjects are concerned, these all professional subjects are concerned, so you people can join the channel of A+ Law Academy, and we are having a specific course for that, that is ITBP Judge Attorney course. So you can enroll in that. We are going to have discussion on all these special laws, and it is at the very minimum price. So all of the candidates, those who are going to appear in this particular exam, enroll in the particular course now, join our YouTube membership. We are going to have discussions on all the professional subjects which are there. This is how you can prepare the subjects which are there in this particular exam, and along with that you must have to go through with the physical efficiency, so you must have to train yourself for that. And as far as the professional knowledge is concerned, we are there to help you at A+ Law Academy. Join this particular course for ITBP exam, and we are going to help you out in this particular professional exam syllabus that is there in this particular exam. Thank you so much. I will be meeting you in the classes. Thank you so much.